Okay, all are given your attendance, right? So here also write in chat box your attendance. So this whatever attendance we are taking, this will be sending to your parents, huh? This attendance. So my voice is audible to you all, right?
Yes, sir.
So is it visible? This one?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So yesterday we have derived the most economical trapezoidal channel section condition. Which was that? What was the condition? What was the condition? Yes, tell me. Yes, tell me what was the condition we have solved yesterday. My voice is audible, right?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
No, what is I'm asking? What was the condition we have derived yesterday? That is in front of you only. You're not able to tell. In Henry. Is it visible or not?
Angle of the trapezoidal channel should be 60 degree slope side.
ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕಲ್ಲ ಈಗ ಮೇಲೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಬರ್ದಿದ್ದೀನಲ್ಲ ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ you are not taking that whatever I'm writing here. You are not writing that one.
Taking
ಬರಿತಾ
screenshot.
ಇದೀರಾ ಇಲ್ಲ?
Yes, sir.
ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾ ಇದೀರಾ ಇಲ್ಲ? You don't expect from me the notes later on. Don't send a message, send a notes. Okay, whatever notes I'm giving here, you take here itself. You don't ask me notes. Okay. So here clearly here it is written, show that the sloping side of a most economical trapezoidal section makes an angle of 60 degree with horizontal. It is written clearly here. I'm asking that only, not able to tell. The continuation of that one. So I'll continue with that one only. So again, one more condition is there. So after getting the angle of 60 degree, that is the best angle for trapezoidal channel section. If it is to be most economical, this angle should be 60 degree. If it is most economical, if you are saying it as a most economical, the angle of sides should be 60 degree with the horizontal. Okay. So again, one more condition is what? Again, what is the perimeter length to be calculated correctly, and also what is the width of the trapezium that is to be calculated by using the first condition. Can anyone tell what is the first condition we have derived from? First condition, can anyone tell what was the first condition? What is the first condition for trapezium?
Half of top width is equals to one side of slope.
Half of top width, half of top width equal to one side sloping length. Correct? Huh?
Yes, sir.
That was the condition. So now substitute that condition here. B plus 2zy divided by 2 is equal to y square root of z square plus 1. Okay. But already you have proved previously what is the value of z here? What is the value of z here?
1
What
by
is
root
its
3.
value? 1 by root 3. That you substitute here. That is substituted here. That is, but z equal to 1 by root 3 already you have proved that obtained. Substitute in the above equation here. That will be b plus 2 into 1 by root 3 into y whole divided by 2. I hope you also writing along with me or not.
Yes, sir. Writing.
Write it. Then square root of 1 divided by 1 root 3 square plus 1. Then you simplify this one. After simplifying, what you get here? So just check it. What will get? You will get this. You take as a LCM root 3 into b plus 2y. Then whole divided by 2 root 3. Then again you simplify here. Y square root of 1 by 3 plus 1 you will get. Okay. Then again you simplify. Further, if you simplify, you get root 3b plus 2y 2 root 3 is equal to here. This is LCM 3 inside the bracket, right? So it will go here 3. 3 plus 1 is 4. So if you take 4 out of square root, what will you get? You'll get 2. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Then root 3. This get cancels. This one, if I write y square root of 1 plus 3 divided 3. This 3 plus 1 is 4. Square root of 4 is 2. That you take it out. Then this get cancels. Then what you get here? You will be getting root of 3b plus 2y is equal to if this 2 goes this RHS side, if you take to that side, it will be 4y. Then finally what you get here? B into root 3. This 2y goes this side. What you get? B square root of 3. What you get?
2y.
2y. 2y you will get. Then what is the value of b?
Two y by root 3.
Y divided by root 3.
Yes, this is the. If suppose the trapezoidal section making an angle of 60 degree, in that case the width of the channel should be this much value it should have. Then only it gives you the 60 degree angle. Understood all of you?
Yes, sir.
When it is giving you 60 degree, that time the width should be 2y divided by root 3. Similarly, how much should be the wetted perimeter? All of you taken this one?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
No.
No? Okay, take fast. Next I am going to derive the perimeter. How much should be the perimeter for 60 degree angle? Can write here. I'll write here. Thus, write here. You can write thus for a side slope. For your understanding, for a side slope of 60 degree, thus length of sloping side length of sloping side is equal to the length of sloping side is equal to the base width of the trapezoidal section. Base width of the trapezoidal section. This one. Okay. Base width of the trapezoidal section. Over?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next. Coming to the perimeter. Again. So perimeter. How much should be perimeter? Okay. If the trapezium section is giving angle of 60 degree, that is sides are giving 60 degree with horizontal, what should be the perimeter? So can anyone tell what is the equation for perimeter we already have? Wetted perimeter. Wetted perimeter. Just tell me.
B plus 2 into
2 into
y
square
root
root
1 plus z square.
Okay, 1 plus z square plus 1. Okay. Now again you substitute the value of b already calculated and value of z here. Substitute here. B equal to already calculated b 2y divided by root 3 plus 2 into y. Then square root of 1 divided by root 3 square plus 1. Then simplify this one. P equal to what we get here? P equal to 2y divided by root 3 plus what do you get here? This is 2y. Then square root of this, what do you get here? Square root of 1 by 3 plus 1. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Then what you get here? Again simplified. 2y root 3 plus this is 3 plus 1, 4. Square root of 4, it comes out. What do you get?
4y.
4, no. That square root of 4, if you take it out, it will be 2, right?
Yes, sir.
2 divided by root 3, like this you'll get. Then if simplify further, p equal to 2y root 3 plus 4y by root 3. Then p equal to what you get? The same. LCM is same. Is it 6y by root 3? Correct? Huh?
Sir.
Then this 6y can be written 3 into 2y by root 3. Correct? Huh?
Yes, sir.
But what is 2y by root 3 already calculated?
B.
Is it b?
Yes, sir.
Okay, this is much should be the perimeter for an angle of 60 degree. Means if the trapezium giving a side slope, this should be, if it is 60 degree, then that time this and perimeter should be calculated. Means if it is a 60 degree, that time it should have a perimeter of 3 times of b, 3 times of width. Understood, all of you?
Yes, sir.
So this is the derivation.
Yes.
Okay, so see it's the quite lengthy derivation, trapezoidal section, but they will be asking part by part in exam, not asking all the conditions. They may ask prove that the perimeter is 3 times of b for an 60 degree trapezium, like that. Understanding what I'm telling?
Yes, sir.
Or else they may ask like this. Sometimes they may ask like this. See, try to understand the question. Show that the sloping side of a most economical trapezoidal section makes an angle of 60 degree with the horizontal. So till here only you have to derive. Tirita?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Direct, you have to start. You have to start from here only. ಮುಂಚೆಯಿಂದ ಮಾಡಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. If you remember, ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಬೇಕು. A ಮತ್ತು B, P ಎಲ್ಲ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಬೇಕು. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Or else, how they may ask one more type. Derive the conditions for most economical trapezoidal channel section. ಅವಾಗ ನೀವು 2 conditions minimum you should be derived. What are those 2 conditions? Are you getting my question? Are you understanding my question?
Yes, sir.
Derive the conditions for most economical trapezoidal channel section. So what are the first 2 conditions to be derived?
Half of top width is
60%.
equals to one side of the
Yes, half of the top width is equal to one side of the sloping length, and one more is
hydraulic radius is equals to half of depth of flow.
yes, hydraulic radius equal to half of the depth of flow. So this much is enough. If time permits, if you have a time again, you can prove that when the semicircle is drawn, which should touch tangential to the sides. Hardly it takes 1 or 2 minutes to prove that radius to be calculated, right? ಅದು ಮೂರು ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಡೆರೈವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So this is the additional condition. This will be asking separately. This will be asking separately like this for 10 marks. 10 marks ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. Okay. ಅಥವಾ ಈ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಕೇಳಬಹುದು. This one, P equal to 3 times of B. So you have to start from here like this. From the first condition you have to take from the first condition. Okay, for a 60-degree trapezoidal, so you have to derive the entire things, and you have to prove B equal to 2y root of 3, and also this one. So I hope you understood all of you the derivation. Shall I go to the next one, next section?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
I'll take next section is a triangular section. Again, very important derivation, triangular section. So these all are important only. So next, let us take a triangular section. All of you write most economical triangular channel section. Okay, I'm writing here. Right on. Most economical triangular channel section. Most economical triangular channel section. Here, how the question may be asked here. Here, the question may be asked. Just I'll write a question right on. Prove that first way they may ask like this. Prove that from most economical triangular channel section. Triangular channel section, or sometimes they may call it as the most efficient also. Most efficient, economical or efficient. Okay. Triangular channel section, the apex angle is apex angle is 90 degree. Okay. Another way, second type of question, how it may be asked. Prove that hydraulic radius for a hydraulically efficient triangular channel section is in terms of depth of flow. Or third type, how it may be asked, prove that the conditions for most economical triangular channel section. Understood all of three types of question, how it may be asked?
Yes, sir.
Okay, we'll derive one by one. Have you taken this one?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
ಕಾಣ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, right. Okay, ivaga so we'll take this one first. All are similar, only the way of asking question is different. All from all we get the same answer only, but the way asking is different. Okay, first one, take that one. Consider a triangular section. First I'll draw this one. All of you draw this triangular section. So this is apex angle. This is called apex or sill angle. This is also called as a sill angle. Okay. So this angle to be calculated. What is this angle? This total angle is 2 theta. So what is this angle now? Total angle is 2 theta. What is this one angle?
Theta, sir.
Theta. And this side also theta. Mark this one, all of you. And also take a side slope. So like a trapezium, how you have taken a side slope. Here also you take z is to 1 side slope, sides. And the depth of flow take y. Depth of flow is y. Okay. So can anyone tell if depth of flow is y, having a side slope z is to 1, what is the base of this triangle? ಹೇಳ್ರಿ ಇವಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅದು? ಟ್ರಪೆಜಾಯ್ಡಲ್ ಚಾನಲ್ ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ, ಹೇಳ್ರಿ. ಇದೇನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಇದ್ರಿ not, I'm asking not full. What is this half?
ZY.
Yes, ZY, correct. This is ZY, this is ZY. Understood how it comes? You want me to repeat once again?
Yes, sir.
See, look at carefully. For Z horizontal, how much is the vertical given?
1, sir.
1 vertical. Hing bariri. Now let us call this as a x now. Namge gottilla idu. I don't know. For x horizontal, what is the depth?
Z.
What
Y,
Z?
sir.
Y.
Z ning depth kanakadatapa. For x horizontal, what is the depth?
Y.
Y, sir.
Y. ಇವಾಗ ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. x into 1 z into y. What is the value of x now?
ZY.
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 ತಿಳಿತಾ?
Yes, sir.
So now this total width ಎಷ್ಟಾಯ್ತು? Top width of the this pre-surface ಎಷ್ಟಾಯ್ತು?
2 ZY, sir.
2 ZY.
2 ZY.
ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಇಷ್ಟು ಗೊತ್ತಿರಬೇಕು ನಿಮಗೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬಿಗಿನಿಂಗ್. ಸೊ ಇಫ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಎನಿ ಡೌಟ್ ಆಸ್ಕ್. ಇಲ್ಲೇನೋ ಡೌಟ್ ಐತಾ?
No, sir.
Yes, sir.
Right. Now I'll write here. Consider. You also write. Consider a triangular section with side slope one in Z or 1:Z. You can write like this: 1 in Z or 1:Z with depth of flow Y as shown in the figure. Written over.
Yes, sir.
ಇವಾಗ now ಈಗ can you tell me what is the area of flow for triangle? Looking at the figure, area of flow A equal to what is the area of triangle? Half
of 2BH, sir.
half base into height. Okay, now half, what is the base total?
2ZY, sir.
2ZY. What is the
Into
height?
Y.
Into y.
Y.
2 get cancels. Directly what you get? A equal to
ZY into Y.
yes,
Z
ZY square, correct? Huh?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so remember this one. This is one way of expressing the area of flow. In terms of what way expressed? In terms of side slope as well as what is this Y?
Depth of flow.
Yes, depth of flow.
Yes, sir.
Suppose the same area to be expressing in trigonometric functions also. ಹೆಂಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ನೋಡಿ. ಇವಾಗ can anyone tell what is tan theta? ಈಗ this is the angle theta, this is. ಈಗ ಇದು tan theta ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಏನು tan theta? From figure, what is tan theta?
Opposite by adjacent.
Opposite by adjacent. I'll write here opposite by adjacent. From figure, what is opposite?
ZY, sir.
ಈ ಥೀಟಾ ಅಪೋಸಿಟ್ ಯಾವುದು? ZY.
ZY.
ಅಡ್ಜಸೆಂಟ್ ಯಾವುದು?
Y, sir.
Y. ಏನ್ ಬಂತ ಆನ್ಸರ್?
Z.
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 Correct? All of you got Z?
Yes, sir.
Z is correct?
ಹಾ, sir.
ಓಕೆ, ಇವಾಗ ಇದನ್ನ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. ಈಗ ಏನಾಯ್ತು? ಏರಿಯಾ ಏನಾಯ್ತು ಇವಾಗ?
Tan theta y square.
ಏನಾಯ್ತು ಹೇಳ್ರಿ?
Tan theta y square.
ಓಕೆ, y ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ tan theta ಆಯ್ತಾ?
Yes, sir.
ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ? ಆರ್ ಯು ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡಿಂಗ್?
ಹಾ,
ಓಕೆ.
sir.
Similarly, can anyone tell what is perimeter? Wetted perimeter. Perimeter P. ಇದು ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ಪೆರಿಮೀಟರ್ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ. ಪೆರಿಮೀಟರ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕೀಗ? ದಿಸ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಈ ಸೈಡ್. ಇದು ಗೊತ್ತೈತೆ ನಿಮಗೆ? ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದಿಸ್ ಸೈಡ್?
One is to
ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ. ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ ಈಗಲೇ? ಈಗ ಪೈಥಾಗೋರಸ್ ಥಿಯರಮ್ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? What is this length?
Y1 plus AZ square.
Y square root of
Root of 1 plus Z square.
1 plus z square. Same this side also. Illu same barutta? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
ಈಗ ಎಷ್ಟಾಯ್ತು ಪೆರಿಮೀಟರ್ ಎಷ್ಟಾಯ್ತು ಹೇಳ್ರಿ ಪೆರಿಮೀಟರ್ ಎಷ್ಟಾಯ್ತು ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಪೆರಿಮೀಟರ್ ನಾವು is it correct is it correct p is equal to 2y square root of 1 plus z square
Yes, sir.
okay now yes yes anything you want to ask
No,
No,
sir.
sir.
no,
No, sir.
right but what is z
Tan theta.
By root.
ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ p equal to 2y square root of 1 plus tan square theta ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ
Yes, sir.
ಇವಾಗ tan square theta ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು 1 plus tan square theta ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು trigonometry
Cosec.
Cosec theta.
cosec or sec secant or cosec
Secant square theta.
secant square theta yes or no
Yes, sir.
ಬೇಸಿಕ್ ಟ್ರಿಗ್ನೋಮೆಟ್ರಿ ಇದೆ ರೀ ಇದು ಹೊಸದೇನಿಲ್ಲ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ 1 ಪ್ಲಸ್ tan square theta ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದೀನಿ
Secant square theta.
yes
Secant square theta.
secant square theta now I'll write 2y sec theta so all of you agree for this one
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
okay ಇಷ್ಟು ನೆನ್ಪಿಟ್ಕೊಡ್ರಿ ಇವಾಗ this much now from this area so what is y from this area what is the y can be written how the y can be written is it
Depth of
square root of a by tan theta
हाँ सर
okay ಇದು ನೆನ್ಪಿಟ್ಕೊಡ್ರಿ ಇದು ಬರ್ಕೊಡ್ರಿ I required this next derivation is it over
Yes, sir.
okay now we have to apply the condition to get a most economical triangular section what is the condition we are having with what condition we are deriving all the derivations ಏನಿದೆ ಹೇಳಿ condition to get a most economical section
Angle of triangle is 90 degrees.
not that one baba for
Perimeter
deriving
should be minimum.
yes perimeter should be minimum okay with that we'll derive that condition the perimeter okay now write for minimum perimeter right for minimum perimeter but before that but you have got a 2y before this the p equal to we have got 2y sec theta but what is the value of y already calculated previously here
Root of a by
that is
a by tan theta.
A by tan theta sir
that you substitute here a divided by tan theta into sec theta so this I keep ready to apply the minimum perimeter condition so I'll keep ready this one for minimum perimeter I'll do dp by d theta equal to 0 so I am taking dp by d theta because theta is a function of perimeter. Understanding? ಈಗ theta ಹೆಂಗ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗುತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಹಂಗಿದ್ ಪೆರಿಮೀಟರ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಕೈತೆ ಇಲ್ಲ? Understanding my question?
हाँ सर.
If this theta, how it is changing, if it is 30 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree, whatever the angle you provided, so the perimeter will get changes. Yes or no?
Yes sir.
That's why dp by d theta is equal to 0 for minimum perimeter. Now this equation to be differentiated with respect to theta ಇವಾಗ ತಿಳಿತಾ ಇದನ್ನ?
हाँ सर.
ಓಕೆ, ಇವಾಗ ನಾನು ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸಿಯೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. d by d theta. ಸೊ ಕೇರ್ಫುಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ, ನಿಮಗೂ ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ, ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸಿಯೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಈಸಿ ನೌ. a divided by tan theta. ಬರ್ಕೋತಾ ಇರಲ್ಲ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ? ಏನಿಲ್ಲ, ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಬರ್ಕೊಡ್ರಿ. ಓಕೆ, ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಬರ್ದ್ರೆ ತಿಳಿದೈತೆ ಅದು. Is it correct? I substituted the perimeter equation. You know anything wrong here? No.
No sir.
ಇವಾಗ the constant here, which is constant here? 2 is constant, correct? And also area is constant. Only theta will vary. Theta?
Yes sir.
We are keeping area remains constant. You know the concept of that most economical, keeping area constant, bed slope constant, roughness constant. Only variable is either depth of flow or the, for in triangle the theta is variable. Understanding? Understood? Then I'll take area out to root of a is a constant term. Then d by d theta, what you get here, tell me, inside the bracket?
Root 1 by tan theta sir.
That is sec theta divided by root of tan theta, correct?
Yes sir.
Is it right? ಈಗ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸಿಯೇಷನ್ ದಾಗ ಒಂದು ರೂಲ್ ಇದೆ. ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದಟ್ ರೂಲ್? ಡಿವಿಷನ್ ರೂಲ್ ಇದೆ, ಆಯ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ? ಆಯ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಡಿವಿಷನ್ ರೂಲ್?
U by V rule.
ಎಸ್, ಯು ಬೈ ವಿ ರೂಲ್ ಐತೆ. ಏನ್ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ ಯು ಬೈ? ಈಗ ನಾನು ಡಿ ಬೈ ಡಿ ಥೀಟಾ ಆಫ್ ಯು ಬೈ ವಿ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸಿಯೇಷನ್ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ? ನಾನು ಮ್ಯಾಥಮೆಟಿಕ್ಸ್ ಕೇಳಿಕತ್ತೀನಿ.
V into U
V
U by D.
Yes, V into du by d theta minus u into dv by d theta divided by n.
V square.
V square.
Correct ida formula? Correct ಐತಿ?
Yes sir.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
this formula to be applied. Side ಬರ್ಕೊಡ್ರಿ. This formula to be applied now. ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಲ್ಲ? ಈಗ ನಾ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿ? ನೀವು ಮಾಡಿ ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಿ ನಂಗೆ? ನೀವು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ? Can you do this one simplification? At least in this format, can you tell me? ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಿ? Hello? ಯಾರಾದ್ರೂ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರೇನಪ್ಪ? ನಂಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಿ? ಹೇಳಿ. 2 root of a keep out. ಇವಾಗ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಇದು u and ಇದು v. So I'll write v first, root of tan theta. Correct? ಈಗ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸಿಯೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ sec theta ಹೇಳ್ರಿ.
Sec into tan.
Yes, correct. Sec theta into tan theta. Exactly correct. Minus ಇವಾಗ ಈಗ v ಯಾವ್ದ್ರಿ? ಸಾರಿ u ಯಾವ್ದೀಗ? sec theta. Correct? Into what is the differentiation of root tan theta?
1 by 2 root tan theta.
Correct. 1 by 2 root tan theta. What is your name? Who is telling? Who is telling this answer?
Abubakar.
Abu Bakr. Okay, good. Into. Again, what is tan? Tan differentiation?
Secant square theta.
Second first.
Yes, exactly correct. Okay, this much you should know. This is simple. So divided whole divided by what?
Root of tan square theta. Tan square.
Root of tan theta
Tan
square.
whole.
I hope you understood this much, all of you. Any difficulty? Okay, those who have all written this one before me, so for them, congratulate. Okay, good. Then simplification, further simplification. This term will go this side, it becomes a 0. Again, this term also goes that side, 0. What is the left out terms? Can you tell me left out term? Root of
Tan theta.
root of tan theta into sec theta into tan
Tan
theta
theta
divided by
minus.
no, one minute. I'll take this as a LCM. This is a LCM I'll take. Okay. Correct? Or else, no, wait. This only I'll take RHS side. That will be 0. Okay. But this I'll keep square root of tan square. What you get here? Tan theta will get. Tan theta will get. Correct? Tan theta. Then it will be tan theta here. Here we'll get a tan theta, one term. Correct? Is it right?
Yes, sir.
Only I taken this term RHS side. This square root of tan theta square, it will be tan theta. Again, minus segregating. Sec theta here secant square theta. What do you get here? Secant cube theta. Correct? Then divided by, is it 2 root tan theta into tan theta? Correct, I3?
Yes, sir.
Is equal to 0. Just check ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. Correct ಇದೆ?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Right. So shall I go to the next page?
Yes, sir.
1 minute, sir.
Okay, take it.
Okay, sir. Continue.
Okay, right. So next, with this, I'll simplify that one. Next step, you write sec theta into tan theta, no, root tan theta here, sec theta into tan theta, square root of tan theta, then divided by tan theta is equal to, because it here this is a minus sign here, you take this side, so tell me, equal to
Plus
secant
Plus-
cube theta divided by
2 root tan theta into tan theta.
good into tan theta. Okay, now tan get cancels.
Yes, sir.
Okay, or else you can cancel here itself, no problem here. Okay, here. Then one secant get cancelled. Correct? Huh? Yes or no? This sec theta, this is one get cancels here.
Yes, sir.
Then this tan and this tan get cancels here. If you take this square root of tan theta again this side, tell me. Is it 2 2 tan square theta? ಈ ಕಡೆ ತಗೊಂಬರಿದು
Sir.
root square root tan theta is the tan theta into tan theta is tan square theta.
Sir.
ತಿಳಿತಾ?
2 tan square theta.
Okay, is equal to, is it secant square theta?
Secant square theta.
Correct. Huh? Then, but this secant square theta can be written in terms of tan 1 plus tan square theta. ಬರಿಬೋದಾ?
Sir.
Because the trigonometry function is secant square equal to 1 plus tan square theta. Any doubt here?
No, sir.
ಎಲ್ಲ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ಲ?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
ಈಗ 2 tan square theta ಮತ್ತು tan square theta ಇದೆ. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ 1 ಮೈನಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. What is the answer? Tan square theta equal to, you'll get 1.
Tan square theta equal to 1.
Correct?
Sir.
Then what is theta? Tan theta equal to 1 now. Then what is theta?
1 by
45.
45 degree. Correct? 45 degree all of you got?
Yes, sir.
Then, okay, coming to here, this figure. So this, what is the total angle?
90, sir.
Okay, so one angle is 45 degree. One triangle, that is a right angle triangle having apex, one angle is 45. The total angle is 90 degree. Okay, therefore 2 theta equal to 90 degree. Apex angle. Now, have you proved? What was the question? Yeah. What was that question I have taken? Have you proved this one?
Yes, sir.
Proved or
Yes,
not?
sir.
Okay, this is a way to prove it. Then you can write, for the most economical triangular channel section, the apex angle should be 90 degree, or sometimes they may ask 45 degree also, means that is one angle. Okay, then can you calculate what is the hydraulic radius? R equal to hydraulic radius. R equal to what? A by P. But what is A? Area already calculated. What is A? Is it y square tan theta? Yes or no? Is it y square tan theta?
Yes, sir.
Then what is P? Is it 2y secant theta?
Yes, sir.
2y sec theta.
Okay, then we already calculated the theta 45 degree. Substitute here. What you get? Tan 45. How much? Y squared tan 45 divided by 2y secant 45. What do you get? What is tan 45?
1.
1.
1. Then secant 45. But already one y get cancels here. Correct? One y get cancels. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Then what is secant 45? Is it 2 root 2? Means already 2 is here. Root 2. So, so hydraulic radius is 2 root 2. Understood? Understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So we have proved the second condition. What was the second derivation? Prove that the hydraulic radius for hydraulically efficient triangular channel section is in terms of depth of flow. Have you proved? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Suppose if they ask like this, prove that hydraulic radius for a hydraulically efficient triangular channel section is in terms of depth of flow. So have you proved this one?
Sir.
The question you want, the same answer is again same procedure only. Okay. Then third, prove that the condition for the most economical triangular channel section. So what is your answer? You have to prove 2 theta equal to 90 degree.
Theta equal to.
Then what else you have to prove? R equal to
Pi by root 2 root 2.
So these two conditions to be derived when they ask this question. Theta,
Yes, sir.
any doubt?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay. So with this, I'll wind up the today's session. So next class again, the same channel section. Instead of taking trigonometric functions, so I have taken here trigonometric functions. So that is a theta and all, and I have derived the equation. Just a minute. Okay. Here I have taken the trigonometric functions and derived. This one. So what I have taken here? Trigonometric functions. Tan theta in terms of trigonometric functions, I have derived the equation. Okay. So next class, what I do, the same problem, instead of taking a trigonometric functions, just we have to take this side slope and depth of flow. So we'll derive the equation. Again, the conditions. Understanding? This is also
Yes,
correct.
sir.
So instead of taking the trigonometric functions, we'll take as directly a equal to zy square and p equal to 2y root of 1 plus z square. Only these two terms I'll highlight here. These two, this and this, will take these two and will derive the conditions again. That is also correct. You can follow any method, any one in the exam. Okay. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay. If you have any doubt, ask. Do you have any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay, please, all of you give your comments for today's class in the chat box, whether you understood or not. All of you, all 33 students. Please give your comment fast. Right, all have understood. And one more thing, I hope you all have started writing assignments. Assignment barita idri?